Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm well.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What kind of traveling do you like most?
I love bus traveling.
Okay. Can you tell me about your traveling experience recently?
Yes, I can. Last 1 month ago, I was traveling to Chittagong with my friends on Podda Bridge, and it's my experience and it's my most experience in my life. And we are 7 friends traveling in this tour, and we are many enjoyed this tour. I saw through the window many boats are boating in this river. When we are so couldn't spend time, then we are watch some movies and playing some games. That's it.
So, would you like to travel again on the Podda Bridge in future?
Yes, I do.
With your family or with your friends?
Actually, I traveling in future with my family, because after I am traveling with my friends, then why I am traveling with my family.
Is it the first time journey or second time?
First time.
Thank you very much for your traveling experience.
Thank you very much.